Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn past tense. Past tense has four forms: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Now we will be talking about the simple past tense with a positive structure. When we can use the simple past tense, we can use the simple past tense for an action or an event that occurred at a definite time in the past and it is over at the time of a speaking. Or if you did anything in the morning yesterday or a day before yesterday or a long back, you can use the simple past tense. How to refer the simple past tense? To refer to an action which took place over a period of time in the past or which took place regularly and repeatedly but is over now. We can refer the simple past tense. Let's see the structure here given: subject plus V2 plus object or a complement. We are going to use the past tense of the main verb. Here we are not using any modal auxiliary here, and for all subject we can use the verb second form or the main verb past tense of the main verb. So let's see the example. I played cricket, we played cricket, you played cricket, they played cricket, he played cricket, she played cricket. Let's see simple past tense with a negative structure. And structure is here: subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object or a complement. We are used did plus not here, and we are used did as a modal auxiliary here, so we used main verb first form here. Let's see the example. I did not play cricket, you did not play cricket, we did not play cricket, he did not play cricket, they did not play cricket. We are used did for all the subject and first form of the verb. Now let's see past continuous tense with positive structure. When we can use the past continuous tense to show that that action or a situation was going on a definite time in the past. That action or a situation had already started before this time but had not finished now also. We use the past continuous tense and the simple past tense form together for two actions that were going on at the same time in the past, or we used the past continuous tense for the longer action and simple past tense for the shorter action. Let's see the example or structure here for better understanding. The structure here given: subject plus was were plus we plus ing plus object or a complement. We used was and were as a modal auxiliary here, helping verb here, and was and were the B forms, and the B forms of is are was were. We are going to use was and were. Look here, we used here was and were. So, and this is the continuous tense, so we used ing. We are adding ing with main verb, object and a complement. Let's see the example. I was playing cricket, he was playing cricket, she was playing cricket. We used he and she is the third singular person. As you know, we are using was, and here we, you, they were playing cricket. Let's see the negative structure of the past continuous tense, and the structure of it: subject was were not plus V plus ing plus object or a complement. Here also we are used was were as a modal auxiliary and adding ing with a main verb. Only we kept not between the main verb and the modal auxiliary. Here let's look the example. I was now playing cricket. He was not playing cricket. She was not playing cricket. We were not playing cricket. You were not playing cricket. And they were not playing cricket. Now past perfect continuous tense with a positive structure. When we use the past perfect tense to describe an action that has taken place before another action in the past, we can use the past perfect tense. Or simply we can say one activity over before the another activity, we can use the past perfect tense. Let's see the structure. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object or a complement. We used a had as model auxiliary here, and this is the have form. Has, have and had, we are using has, have in present and had in a past tense, and we used the past participle of the main verb. And here given the all the subject I, we, he, she, you, they. He, she is the third singular and this is the second. For all subject we used had because of here only one modal auxiliary here had, and we used for all it had played cricket. Let's see the negative structure of past perfect tense. Subject had plus not plus V3 plus object or a complement. Here also we used had plus not plus past participle of the verb V3 third form of the main verb object or a complement. Here all subject given. For all subject we are using had not or a hadn't. You can use hadn't also. So let's see example. I had not played cricket. We had not played cricket. He had not played cricket. She had not played cricket. You had not played cricket, or they had not played cricket. Let's see past perfect continuous tense with positive structure. How is it functioning? We use the past perfect continuous tense to refer to an action which had been going to continuously up to that time in the past that we are talking about. Or we can refer the past perfect continuous tense we usage to define an action which started in the past and continue for a long time and got over before over another activity. We can use past perfect continuous tense. Let's see the example. Structure is here subject had not, had been, V plus ing plus object or a complement. Here we used had plus been, adding ing with main verb, object or a complement. Here all the subject came I, we, you, he, she, it, and we used had not been playing cricket. Simple past tense is very easy for usage and easy for understanding also. Listen one more example. Akshay Kumar had been working as a chef before he became an actor. Now let's see the past perfect continuous tense with negative structure, and structure is given here. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus P plus ing plus object or a complement. Here we used a had not, or you can use the hadn't also. Been or adding ing with main verb plus object or a complement. Here all subject given, and we are using I had not been playing cricket. We had not been playing cricket. You had not been playing cricket. He had not been playing cricket. She had not been playing cricket, and they had not been playing cricket.